Hello students, welcome to the class on Entrepreneurship Management. My name is Rishi Chakravarti and I am Assistant Professor in the Department of Management of Assam Downtown University. Here, you will be learning about the concept of entrepreneurship and economics and entrepreneurship, means in what way economics and entrepreneurship are related or not. Here in this introductory part, I shall provide you with a brief idea on entrepreneurship so that you may have a clear picture about this particular term. And as we go down with the remaining of our presentations, then we will be able to understand in detail about this particular concept. Entrepreneurship is the creation or extraction of value. With this definition, entrepreneurship is viewed as change, which may include other values than simply economic ones. More narrow definitions have described entrepreneurship as the process of designing, launching, and running a new business, which is often initially a small business, or as the capacity and willingness to develop, organize, and manage a business venture along with any of its risks to make a profit. The people who create these businesses are called entrepreneurs. So here it is said that entrepreneurs is the extraction or creation of value, means anything that is worth valuable for the society, for humanity, done something for the well-being of the society or welfare is entrepreneurship. It can be a business, it can be any charitable organization, etc. So it is, however, in the context of management, we only relate it to business or small businesses. So that has a capacity and willingness to develop, organize, manage. So something that can be developed, organized and managed. If I am having a small business, I can organize, manage and grow that particular business for the welfare of the society and humanity. So those people who are associated with this type of activities are known as entrepreneurs, and the entire process is called entrepreneurship. In the upcoming presentation, I shall explain in detail about the concept and economics and entrepreneurship and their relation with one another. Thank you very much.